Hello children. In previous session, we have learned that what is Windows 7, how it works, what is booting, and how a program window looks like in Windows 7. Kids, do you know that the desktop that appears on the computer screen has some background and themes? You can change these backgrounds according to your choice. Do you want to know how? So let's get started and decorate your desktop. Children, the main process to change the background of desktop is to open personalization window. For this, you need to click on Start button. Here you will get Start menu in front of you. In the right column, you will see Control panel in front of you. By clicking here, you will get Control panel window in front of you. Here you will get 8 type of choices present in your computer. By this you can change so many settings in your computer like system and security, network, internet, hardware and sound, program, user account and family safety, appearance and personalization, clock language and region, ease of access. And this chapter is all about appearance and personalization. Student, there is one more way to open personalization window by clicking in the blank area of the desktop and you will see a drop down box in front of you. Here at the bottom you will see personalize option. Now it is time to learn how we can change desktop background. You can make your desktop background more beautiful by changing its wallpaper according to your choice. The background image that appears on your desktop is called as wallpaper. Children, this blue image present in front of you is provided by Windows 7 by default. Do you know that? You can even put your own picture or any other pictures provided by Windows in your computer. For this, you need to click on Personalization window, click on Desktop Background. A desktop window will appear in front of you. Click on Picture Location. A drop-down menu will appear in front of you. You can put your image by clicking on Picture Library or click on Browse besides Picture Location and use Browse dialog box to select a file. Your computer will show background image in the selected gallery. Now click on Clear All. You need to click on image and color you want to choose. Now click on Picture Position. There are 5 types of picture position: fill, fit, stretch, style and center. Fill picture position displays a single copy of image extended on all sides and keeps the ratio of width to height the same. So it means that some part of image will cut off. Fit option will display a single copy of image extended until either the width of the picture fits to the width of the screen or height of the picture fits the height of the screen. Stretch. This option displays a single copy of image extended on all sides so it will fills the entire desktop. Tile option. This option displays multiple copy of image repeatedly so they will fill the entire desktop. Center. This option displays a single copy of image in the center of the screen. After that, you need to go to Save Changes and after that you will go to Close option. Okay. Now it is time to set a screensaver to your computer. Do you know what is screensaver? A screensaver is a moving picture or any picture that appears automatically to your computer if you do not use your computer for a period of time. And to bring back to your desktop again, you just have to move your mouse or press any keyboard from the keyboard. For this, again you need to go to personalization window, click on screensaver at the bottom. A screensaver dialog box is present in front of you now. Now click on down arrow of the screensaver. You will see so many options present in your computer. Children, these bubbles, blank and mystify are the animated screensaver for the higher end graphic cards computer. But for some lower end graphic cards computer or lower memory computer, you need to select the photos option. Okay, you can see the preview from clicking on preview option, and you can cancel the preview by clicking anywhere on your computer. After that, you need to click on wait, up and down arrow to set the time. Okay, wait option up and down arrow is to specify the number of minutes for computer idle time after which the screensaver will appear. And after that, you have to click on OK and then close the personalization window. Children, now it is time to change the color scheme. You can personalize window by choosing different color scheme. Window applies color scheme to window borders, taskbar and start menu. For this, again you need to go to personalization window and choose window color from the bottom. Children, here I want to clarify one thing, that for the computers having higher end graphic cards, there is different type of color scheme, and for the computer, like in my case, there is different type of color scheme. For this, you will click on window color and you will see this type of screen in front of you. Window color and appearance dialog box is present here. Now you can select the item from the item list to be customized. Like I have selected desktop. Now choose the color you want to change, and you can see the preview here. But if the item includes text, click on the down arrow from the font. You can change the size, you can change the color, and you can make it bold and italic. And after that, click on children. Now it is time to apply themes. Do you know what is theme? A theme will include a whole range of changes, such as a new background, taskbar, and start menu. Customization all roll into one. Instead of setting the desktop background, screensaver, and color scheme individually, you can change all of these at once by applying a single theme. Each theme also includes its own set of desktop icons, sound effects, and mouse pointers. So, instead of wasting your time and changing desktop background, screensaver, and color scheme one by one, you can go and apply a single theme. For this, again you need to go to personalization window. Here you will see so many themes present in front of you. You can use arrow themes. Arrow theme uses transparency effects, color intensity, and high resolution background images. So the images here are very attractive. After that, we will have basic and high contrast themes. Basic and high contrast themes uses simple effects and high contrast effects both. So you can choose any theme from here and you can see the immediate effect from here. After that, you need to close it and you can see that the theme you have selected is present in front of you. Now it is time to add a gadget to the desktop and make it more beautiful. You can make the Windows desktop more useful and helpful by adding gadgets to it. A gadget is a small program such as clock or calculator that performs a specific function. For this, you need to right click on blank area. Here you will see gadgets in a drop down box. Here is the gallery of the gadgets. You can choose any gadget from this gallery, click it on, and you will be able to see the details of these gadgets. After that, you can hide it. Now right click on the gadget and you will see add and uninstall option. If you want to add it, you can click on add. The gadget is there in front of you and you can close this. After that, if you want to remove this gadget, you can see the gadget controls here. You can cross it. You can see the options and you can drag the gadget also by clicking here. Now you will be able to drag the gadget. And if you want to remove this gadget, just simply click on this close button.
Now children, we are going to do exercises related to this chapter. Okay children, first of all we will tick mark the things we got to know from this chapter. First of all, we got to know what is the background image that appears on your desktop. Second thing, by changing the background, we can make the desktop more beautiful. Third thing, that the desktop theme is used to change the color scheme, font size and effect of desktop and other items present on it. The next one, we got to know that what is screensaver, and it is an image that pops up on this computer when it is idle for certain period of time. And the last one, we got to know that the gadget is a small program such as clock or calculator that performs a specific function. Now, the next question is from the exercises, take the correct option. First one, the background image that appears on your desktop is poster, wallpaper or painting. So the right answer is wallpaper. The second one, an image that pops up on the screen when it is idle for some time is a desktop, screen or screensaver. So the right answer is screensaver. Third one, background picture can be positioned in dash ways, 4, 5 or 6. So the picture positioning of desktop background is only for 5 ways. The last one is dash is not a part of default gadget. So by default we got clock and CPU meter, but the game is not the part of default gadgets. Okay, so we are done with the first question, take the correct option. Now the second question is true or false. The first statement is you cannot change the background of the desktop. But we got to know from this chapter that we can change the desktop background. So this statement is totally false. Now the second, the tile option displays the image in the center of the desktop. No, the tile option displays the multiple copies of the image in the desktop. Okay, so the statement is also false. Children, the next statement is desktop theme is used to change the color scheme and font size. Yes, we can change the color scheme and the font size by using theme option. Okay, so this statement is true. Now the next statement is screensaver is an image that pops up when the computer is idle for some time. Yes, screensaver is the image that pops up when the computer is idle. Okay, so this statement is true. Now the fifth statement, the screensaver is removed when you sit in front of the computer. No. To change the screensaver or to remove it, we have to touch any key from the keyboard or we have to move the mouse. The next statement is a gadget is used to change the color of the desktop. False. Okay children, so gadget is not used to change the color of the desktop. Hence, this statement is totally false. Now children, we are going to do some question answer of this chapter. Okay, the first question is, what is the desktop background? The background is the image that appears on a desktop. We can make it more beautiful by changing its wallpaper. Now question 2. Explain any two position option of the image on the screen. The first option is we are going to discuss is tile. This option displays multiple copies of the image repeatedly, so they fill the entire desktop. Children, you all know tile option is used to display the multiple small copies of the image and it fills the entire desktop. Center option, it displays the single copy of the picture or image in the center of the screen. Now question third, what is screensaver? The screensaver is the moving picture that appears automatically on our computer if we do not use our computer for a period of time. Like if you have to leave your computer for some period of time, so screensaver appears on your desktop. Okay. Now some application based question. While making a project on MS Word, the bell of lunch break rang and Akshay went to the canteen. On returning, he noticed that Rakshit is watching the project from his desktop. Advise Akshay how he can prevent such event in the future. Okay children? So what he can do? He can apply a screensaver. So Akshay can apply screensaver on his computer to prevent such event in future. Now some activity. At home, you can save your photograph in your computer and make it as a desktop background. And this is for your homework. Okay. Now children, this is the end of this chapter. You can ask your question related to this chapter by commenting below in a comment box. Thank you.